some of our range of cleansers. They come in unscented, rose geranium, tea tree, lavender and orange and grapefruit. I can't fit all of those in my hand. I'm Marianne from Pevney Organic Skincare, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the ingredients and give a quick demonstration on how to use them. I've got my own on the go at the moment, so I won't use that. Now, first off, let me show you. I've got the lavender one. This is what it looks like. Feels like a cream. The ingredients, the same base ingredients in all of them, and then we've got the different essential oils, unless it's unscented, then there's no essential oils, of course, in that. Kaolin clay, it's beautiful, soothing, gentle, cleansing clay. I love it, it's so lovely. So it's suitable for everyday use. Then we've got jojoba oil and sunflower seed oil, rich in vitamin A and E, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, helps skin regeneration. Really, really beautiful. So our cleanser uses the hot cloth cleansing method. So I've got my muslin cloth in some hot water now, just ready, and I'll just show how to use it. I'll just tuck my hair behind my ears. I'll just use it on a little bit of my face. I love the lavender one. You put it on the skin. I've probably got too much on here. This would easily do half the face. Easily. But I'll just leave it there. Ooh! You tuck your hair out the way, as I have not done properly. You don't massage it in, you can just leave it on. What I really like to do is when I get in the shower, I'll put it on. You need to make sure, put it on just before you get in the shower, because you don't want to be putting wet hands into this, because then it will spoil it. So I put it on just before I get in the shower, and then I wash everywhere else, and then so I leave it on for a few minutes, and then I rinse it off last thing, just so it's almost like having a mini mask. You can use it, you don't have to be in the shower, you just use it as and when, and it's suitable for use every day. Right, so then you just put it on, so you can leave it on like a mini mask. You could just sit down, sit back and relax, leave it on for a bit. And then I've got my organic cleansing cloth. Put it in some hot water, wring it out, squeeze the excess water out, and then just wipe it off. And the cloth is really helpful for taking it off, better than anything else. It's just got gentle, slightly exfoliating qualities, the cloth. And that's it. And then you can just pat your skin dry. You can use it, people use it to take makeup off. Use it every day, whenever you choose. And it feels so luxurious, but it's just so good as well. Really, really lovely. In fact, I had feedback this morning from a customer who bought some and used it for the first time this morning. She said, "Oh, my skin feels so soft, I love it." So I hope you love it too. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and take care.